Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss UPSC CPF Assistant Commandant Exam held on 20th December 2020. हम लोग ए सीरीज को डिस्कस करेंगे. So let's begin our class. Question number 1. Which one of the following statement for an object falling freely under the influence of gravity is correct? So correct answer here is D. Acceleration is constant all throughout the free fall. Free fall is a case of motion with a uniform acceleration. Acceleration is constant and equal to the gravitational acceleration g. So D is correct. Question number 2. Two magnetic field lines produced by same source. Answer is A. Never intersect. No two field lines are found to cross each other. If they did it, it would mean that at the point of intersection, the compass needle will point towards two directions, जो कि possible नहीं है. So A is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which one of the following statement regarding Fleming's rule is correct? तो इसमें ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है. Fleming's left hand rule gives direction of force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. The direction of flow of current in current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field is given by Fleming's left hand rule. Second finger जो होती है that gives the direction of electric current. So A is correct. Question number 4. Which one of the following statements regarding motion is correct? So B is the correct statement. All simple harmonic motions are necessarily periodic motions. But all periodic motions, they are not simple harmonic motions. So B is the correct answer. Next question. The radar used by police to check over-speeding vehicles work on the principle of C. Doppler effect. Question number 6. Which one of the following statements with regard to Newton's third law of motion is not correct? कौन सी correct नहीं है? According to Newton, force never occurs singly in nature. So this statement is correct. When the earth pulls a stone downwards due to gravity, the stone exerts a force on the earth. This is also correct. न्यूटन का जो थर्ड लॉ है, इट मेंशंस टू एवरी एक्शन देयर इज ऑलवेज एन इक्वल एंड अपोजिट रिएक्शन. बट एनसीईआरटी में बहुत क्लियरली गिवन है कि जो टर्म एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन है थर्ड लॉ में, may give a wrong impression that action comes before reaction. So there is no cause effect relation implied in third law. The force on A by B and the force on B by A act at the same instant. So here C is not correct. There is no cause effect relation. Next question. Magnesium is used in, answer is A, fireworks to make bright white light. It is used in flares, fireworks and sparklers. So A is correct. Which one of the following ingredients does not constitute paint? The answer here is C. Thinner is used to dissolve film formings. जिसमें turpentine यूज होता है. Then anti skinking agent में polyhydroxyphenols, they are added to paints in order to prevent gelling and skinning of the finished product. Then the pigment is used and titanium dioxide gives white color. So here C is the answer, it's not the constitute. Question number 9. Which one of the following statements about alkaline earth metals is not true? So here D option is incorrect. Red color of gemstone ruby is due to element chromium. So here D is the incorrect answer. Strontium salt burns with red flame. Barium metal is used for X-ray purpose. And green plants need magnesium. So ये तीनों statements correct हैं. D is the incorrect. Next, which one of the following gases produce a red light when electricity flows through it? So when electric current is passed through a gas, the gas emits light. So here helium gives pale yellow color. Argon gives blue. So neon is the correct answer, which gives red color. Next question. Which one of the following methods can be used to remove permanent hardness of water? So hardness of water is due to presence of bicarbonate, chloride and sulfate of calcium and magnesium in it. So जो boiling है permanent hardness को remove नहीं कर सकती. So ion exchange is the correct answer here. Lime treatment नहीं, lime soda process जो है it can be used. In which calculated quantities of slaked lime and sodium carbonate are used, whereas slaked lime removes temporary hardness and sodium carbonate removes permanent hardness. So ion exchange is the correct answer here. The calcium and magnesium ions present in hard water are exchanged by those present in complex inorganic and organic compounds called ion exchangers. Next question. Which one of the following is not a component of photochemical smoke? Answer here is C. Polyaromatic hydrocarbons, they are not a component of photochemical smoke. Components include ozone, nitric acid, acrolein, formaldehyde, and pan. Question number 13. Eukaryotic chromatin is composed of. Answer here is C. DNA and RNA. Chromatin is a genetic material comprising DNA, RNA, and associated protein. जो इसमें प्राइमरी प्रोटीन कंपोनेंट्स है, दे आर हिस्टोन्स which help to organize DNA into bead-like structures. So C is the correct answer here. Question number 14. In which of the following phylum would you place an animal with a bilateral symmetrical trypoblastic body without a true internal cavity? Answer here is B. Platyhelminths. The body is bilaterally symmetrical, which means the left and right half of the body have same design. There are 3 layers of cell for which differentiated tissues can be made. So इसीलिए इसको कहते हैं ट्राइपोब्लास्टिक. There are 3 layers of cell from which different tissues can be made. इसीलिए इसको कहते हैं ट्राइपोब्लास्टिक. However, there is no true internal body cavity in which well-developed organs can be accommodated. इसकी एग्जाम्पल में लीवर फ्लूक है. Next, during respiration in human beings, the actual place of gaseous exchange is alveoli. C is the correct answer here. Rest are the conducting parts which transports the atmospheric air, clear it from foreign particles, humidifies it, and also brings the air to body temperatures. So exchange part is the site where actual diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and atmospheric air takes place. So C is the correct answer here. In human body, the hormone which is secreted into blood, which controls the rate of heartbeat. Answer here is A. Adrenal. It is secreted by medulla of the adrenal glands. And adrenal medulla secretes 2 hormones, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Both hormones, they increase the heartbeat, the strength of heart contraction, control them, and the rate of respiration. Question number 17. In human beings, certain chemicals which cross the synapse between nerve cells are released from. Answer is D. Axon of nerve cell. Question number 18. Which one of the following is the major function of platelets? It is clotting of blood. Platelets are also called thrombocytes. A reduction in their number can lead to clotting disorders, like in case of dengue, we see such a scenario. Next, an electron and photon have same de Broglie wavelength. It implies that they have the same linear momentum. A is the correct answer. When a non-relativistic electron and a non-relativistic proton are moving and have the same de Broglie wavelength, then they will have same linear momentum. P is equal to mv. So A is the correct answer. Question number 20. Oil and water do not mix because of the property of surface tension. D is the correct answer. At triple point, the substance coexist in the temperature and pressure at which the fusion curve, vaporization curve, and sublimation curve meet, and all 3 phases of substance coexist. उसको कहते हैं triple point of the substance. So liquid, solid, and vapor. So D is the correct answer here. Latent heat corresponds to the change in heat at constant. Latent heat is known as the heat which is required to convert a solid into liquid during the phase changes, and the temperature of an object remains constant. So A is the correct answer here. Question number 23. Which one of the following statements on photoelectric effect is not correct? You have to find the incorrect statement. Einstein received Nobel Prize in Physics for explaining photoelectric effect. This is correct. Here answer is C. The maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons varies linearly with the frequency of incident radiation but is independent of its intensity. It does not change on increasing the frequency. So C is the incorrect answer here. Next question, which one of the following is the average atomic mass of chlorine atom? So it is 35.453. So answer here will be B, 35.5. Next question, which one of the following is not a heterocyclic aromatic compound? Answer is A. Tropylon is a non-benzoid compound. So A is the answer here. Which one of the following mineral is not a naturally occurring silicate? So silicate is the general name given to group of minerals which have silicon. Rock, soil, clay consist of almost entirely silicate materials. This may bauxite is not a naturally occurring silicate. Rest are the examples: zeolites, feldspar, asbestos. So D is the answer here. In which part of the cell the glucose is converted into pyruvate? This is C, cytoplasm. Glycolysis occur only in the cytoplasm of the cell and it is only processed in anaerobic organisms. So C is the answer. Next, after fertilization, the ovule and ovary subsequently develop to form. Ovule develops into a seed and ovary surrounding the ovules develops into a fruit. So A is the correct answer here. Question number 29. Which one of the following statements is correct? So C is the correct answer here. Glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide, hydrogen oxide and energy in all aerobic tissues. So C is the correct answer here. 30. Growing two or more crops in the same field but in different rows. Different rows में हैं two crops. So this is a case of intercropping. So B is the correct answer here. Because two or more crops are planted but they are not mixed with each other. They are grown in a set pattern in alternating rows. Who among the following won the Fed Cup Heart Award 2020? So Sania Mirza. She was given this award for her successful return to the court post motherhood, and she is the first Indian to win this award. Next question, National Technology Day is observed on May 11th, the day India conducted its nuclear test in Pokhran. Which one of the following ships was deployed in Mission Sagar, which was set to enter different countries carrying food and COVID related items on 10th May 2020? Answer is INS Kesari. It went to Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Madagascar and Comoros. And now Mission Sagar 2 in November has been launched, which will be set for Sudan, South Sudan, Djibouti and Eritrea. Next, which one of the following has the largest contribution to the gross tax revenue of Government of India in 2019-20? So answer is B, corporation tax. नंबर 1 पे कॉर्पोरेशन टैक्स है, देन जीएसटी है, नंबर 3 पे कस्टम्स एंड देन यूनियन एक्साइज ड्यूटीज. सो बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. व्हाट इज मेंट बाय एमएसएमई? आंसर इज दी माइक्रो स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस which was introduced in agreement with Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. They are primarily engaged in production, manufacturing, processing or preservation of goods and commodities. Which one of the following is the top ranking country in the World Economic Forum's 74th Global Energy Transition Index? Answer is Sweden. India was at the 74th position. Next question. Operation Sadbhavna is an initiative of Indian Army in J&K with an objective of bridging the gap between army and the people of their or awam. So इसका कैच फ्रेज था जवान और अवाम, अवाम है मुकाम. Soldier and people together can bring peace. Which one of the following is the equivalent rank of wing commander of Indian Air Force in Indian Navy? So answer is C, Lieutenant Colonel. Next question, what is the minimum reduction in projected demand of conventional energy at the end of 5 years as per development of solar cities program? So answer here is C, 10%. The master plan will set a goal of minimum 10% reduction in the projected total demand of conventional energy. Next question, which one of the following countries has suggested the name Amphan to cyclone that devastated parts of West Bengal and Bangladesh in May 2020? Answer is B, Thailand. Thailand suggested this name, which means sky. Which means sky. Question number 41. Natural population change is calculated by, answer is E, A, subtracting the death rate from birth rate plus immigration minus death rate plus emigration. So this is the formula to calculate natural population change. So A is the correct answer. Next, a long narrow stretch of sand or shingle with one end attached to the mainland. It is called a sand spit. Spits are narrow and elongated. One end is attached to the mainland, other is out in the open water. And this spit is a landform made by deposition of sand by movement of tides. Next question, which one of the following does not illustrate the importance of coral reef? तो कोरल रीफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करता है, दिस इज ट्रूथ. रिक्रिएशन के लिए भी और ऐसे भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करता है. दे सप्लाई बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स, दिस इज आल्सो करेक्ट. दे प्रोटेक्ट शोर लाइन फ्रॉम स्टॉर्म्स, दिस इज करेक्ट. नाउ दे प्रोटेक्ट कम्युनिटीज फ्रॉम अर्थक्वेक्स, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. दो जब जो साइक्लोन्स है वो इंटरनल फिनोमिना है, जो साइक्लोन्स हो गए उसमें बहुत हद तक जो है ये प्रोटेक्ट करता है कम्युनिटी को, बट अर्थक्वेक का सीन जो है वो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट अकेशिया ट्री इज आर करेक्ट? It has long shallow root system which enables it to find moisture, this is correct. It has thorny leaves to prevent water loss, this is also correct. It has wide crown to so the foliage can absorb maximum sunlight, this is correct. It is found in savanna region, so D is the correct answer. Dardic group of language belongs to which language family? Answer here is A, Indo-European. और इसकी सब फैमिली इंडो आर्यन है. एंड इट इज़ फाउंड इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, पंजाब, हिमाचल, यूपी, राजस्थान, हरियाणा, कंप्लीट नॉर्दर्न बेल्ट. नेक्स्ट, 2011 census has divided the working population of India into 4 major categories. Which one of the following is not one of them? तो 4 categories हैं: cultivators, agriculture laborers, household industrial workers and other workers. So domestic workers जो हैं वो included नहीं है census में. So B here is the answer. Which of the following statements about employment situation in India according to periodic labor force survey 2017-18 is are correct? Construction sector gave employment to nearly 1/10 of urban male workforce in India, this is correct. Next is nearly 1/4 of urban female workers in India were working in manufacturing sector, this is not correct. 1/4 of rural female workers in India were engaged in agriculture sector, this is also correct. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer. Question number 48. Kumar used to eat 30 samosas in a month जब प्राइस था ₹12, और जब समोसा का प्राइस इंक्रीज हुआ to ₹15, he eats only 20 samosas. What is the price elasticity of demand? So formula for calculating price elasticity is quantity demanded over price of demanded commodity. So पहले जो क्वांटिटी है ना अब 20 है, अर्लियर 30 था, तो चेंज इज -10. और प्राइस में अब 15 है, पहले 12 था, तो दिस इज 3. सो विल कैलकुलेट इट बाय, so deducting off you will get the answer A, 1.33. So price elasticity of demand for samosa is 1.33 by Kumar. Which of the following goods are included to estimate food inflation in India? Wheat is included, paddy is included, tobacco is not included, it's included in manufactured goods, this is part of manufactured products, and sugar is included. So answer is 1, 2 and 4, which is D. Question number 50. In which of the following states high yielding varieties of food grains were introduced as part of first phase of Green Revolution 1966 to 72? इनको नॉर्मन बार्लॉफ ने मैक्सिको में डेवलप किया था इन सीड्स को, और इनको इंडिया में बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए पहले इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था इन पंजाब, तमिलनाडु एंड आंध्र प्रदेश. सो 1, 2 एंड 3, ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर हेयर. क्योंकि इन स्टेट्स में जो इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज थी वो ज़्यादा बेटर थी, सो पहले यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया, लेटर ऑन टू अदर स्टेट्स. 51. Which one of the following are the most distinctive artifacts of Harappan civilization? Statite seal, bricks of standardized ratio, gold bangle, silver spittoon. So answer here is A, statite seals. This is possibly most distinctive artifact made of stone. Seals like this one often contain animal motifs, signs from a script that remains undeciphered till today. So A is the correct answer here. Bricks is not part of artifacts. So A is the answer here. Question number 52. Which one of the following is not listed as one of the 16 Mahajanpadas in the pre-Mauryan period? तो आंसर इज कलिंगा. कलिंगा महाजनपद नहीं था, 16 महाजनपद थे. कुरु की कैपिटल जो थी वो इंद्रप्रस्थ थी. जो वत्सा थे उनकी कैपिटल कौशंबी थी, और गंधारा की तक्षशिला थी. लेकिन जो कलिंगा था वो महाजनपद नहीं था. Next question, which of the following are prescribed as the duties of Vaishyas according to Dharma Shastra? Studying the Vedas, engaging in trade. So answer here is C, both. जो धर्म शास्त्र से they contain rules about idle occupations of 4 of the varnas. And for Vaishyas, there was study the Veda, get sacrifices performed, make gift in additions, and they were expected to engage in agriculture, pastoralism, and trade. Which one of the following statement is correct? The Satavahanas ruled over parts of western India and Deccan. This is correct. Next, Satavahanas repaired and rebuilt Sudarshan Lake. ये statement incorrect है. सुदर्शन लेक को सबसे पहले अशोका ने बिल्ड किया था एज एन आर्टिफिशियल रेजर्वायर. उसके बाद 150 एडी के करीब 150 एडी के करीब शाका रूलर रुद्रदमन वन ने इसको रिपेयर कराया, और रुद्रदमन वन के बाद स्कंदगुप्त ने इन 1415 एडी अंडर हिज गवर्नर परनादत्ता, उन्होंने इसको रिपेयर कराया. तो 3 पर्सन थे, अशोका, रुद्रदमन वन एंड स्कंदगुप्त. तो सतवाहनास ने रिपेयर नहीं कराया था. सो बी हियर इज इनकरेक्ट. सो ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर ओनली. Question number 55. In relation to fundamental duties enshrined in Constitution of India, which one of the following is not correct? Number 1, fundamental duties were not originally part of Constitution. This is correct. They were added by 42nd Constitutional Amendment in 1976 by recommendation of Swan Singh Committee. To safeguard public property and abjure violence are fundamental duties. This is correct. They are not enforceable through writs. This is also correct. They may not be used for determining the constitutionality of laws. This is incorrect. Constitution does not provide for their direct enforcement by court. Moreover, there is not legal sanction against their violence. Moreover, there is not legal sanction against their violation. However, Parliament is free to enforce them by suitable legislation. Next question. The governor of a state may exercise discretionary powers when he or she is not convinced by the advice of Council of Ministers. This is incorrect. The governor is bound on the advice of Council of Ministers. Next, the Constitution requires him to act in his or her discretion in certain matters. This is correct. He or she is appointed as the administrator of a adjoining union territory. So 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Article 163 essentially limits any discretionary power of governor only to cases where Constitution expressly specifies that governor must act on his own and apply an independent mind. तो ये रूलिंग इसी साल न्यूज़ में थी जिसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्लियर कहा था कि गवर्नर इज बाउंड बाय द एडवाइस ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. सो सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू ऑफ सोशलिज्म? Socialists analyze society in terms of income distribution. Correct. It emphasizes the centrality of community. This is correct. Socialists believe that class division in society are a fact and therefore irremediable. This is the incorrect statement. Concept and explanation. Correct answer here is B. pluralistic democracy, capacity of groups to ensure governmental responsiveness. Then B, people's democracy, highest and harmonious development of individual capacities. Developmental democracy, social equality through common ownership of wealth. और जो इलाइट क्लास की डेमोक्रेसी है, दिस इज पावर इज ऑलवेज एक्सरसाइज बाय अ प्रिविलेज्ड फ्यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 59, इनमें से कौन सी सेंट्रल पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग जो है वो इट इज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज मिनी रतन. आंसर हियर इज ए, एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. इट इज अ मिनी रतन. 2009 में स्टेटस मिला था मिनी रतन का. और इसमें जो इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन है वो नवरत्न है. और हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स जो लिमिटेड है वो भी नवरत्न है. और जो सेल है स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया वो महारत्ना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एजुकेशनल डेवलपमेंट इंडिकेटर्स इज करंटली यूज्ड बाय यूनाइटेड नेशंस डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम टू कंस्ट्रक्ट ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स. आंसर इज सी, मीन ईयर्स ऑफ स्कूलिंग. Education is measured on two levels: the mean year of schooling for resident of a country and the expected years of schooling that a child has at the average for starting school. It takes into account three dimensions: a long and healthy life, access to knowledge, and a decent standard of living. Next question, which one of the following was recognized as invisible hand by Adam Smith? Answer is B, market price mechanism. Next, fixation of price levels for wheat and rice by Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices is an example of MSP, minimum support price. D, the major objectives are to support the farmers from distress sales and to procure food grains for public distribution. Next, mobile phone operators market in India is an example of, it is B, monopolistic competition, which is a type of imperfect competition where many producers sell products that are differentiated from one another as goods but not perfect substitutes. Next, which of the following sectors contribute in recent years to the deterioration of asset quality of commercial banks by way of NPAs, non-performing assets? Agriculture and allied sector, industrial sector, infrastructure sector, information technology sector. Answer here is D, all the four. Next question, the distance between two successive crests or troughs of sea waves is called. Answer is A, wavelength. Crest is the highest point of the wave, whereas trough is the lowest. Which one of the following is not a Mediterranean country? Answer here is C, North Sudan. You can look here in the map. ये मेडिटेरियन सी है. सो ऑप्शन जो गिवन है आप देख सकते हो, साउथ सुदान की लोकेशन यहाँ है. सो मेडिटेरियन नहीं है. रेस्ट आर द मेडिटेरियन कंट्रीज. नेक्स्ट, पहल एन इनिशिएटिव टू ट्रांसफर द सब्सिडी टू डायरेक्ट बैंक अकाउंट ऑफ द बेनिफिशरीज इज रिलेटेड टू. आंसर इज ए, एलपीजी कंज्यूमर्स. प्रत्यक्ष हस्तांतरित लाभ, प्रत्यक्ष हस्तांतरित लाभ स्कीम जो है, इट इज वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट कैश ट्रांसफर प्रोग्राम recorded in Guinness Book of World Records. This scheme was launched in 2013 and it was extended nationwide in 2015. Which one of the following karst landforms is the largest in size? So largest in size, answer is A, Poje. They are very vast lands. So अगर size wise बात की जाए तो A is the correct answer. Next, Singapore is known as port of call. Answer is C. It is on main sea route where ships used to anchor for refueling, watering and taking food items. Honolulu हो गया, Singapore हो गया, they are examples of port of call. Which one of the following statements regard to censure motion is not correct? Number 1, a leave of the house is required to move it. This is incorrect. No leave of house is required to move a censure motion. And if it is passed, the Council of Ministers is bound to seek the confidence of Lok Sabha as early as possible. So, पहला ही गलत है, तो answer is A. Next, which one of the following is not a correct feature of money bill? It can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. This is correct. A deputy speaker can also certify a money bill in case office of speaker falling vacant. This is correct. A speaker's authority is final as to whether a bill is money bill or not. This is also correct. It can be referred to joint committee of two houses. This is incorrect. It cannot be referred to a joint committee of houses. So D here is incorrect. Next question. The idea of social justice requires that equal treatment be supplemented with principle of prosperity. The idea of social justice requires that equal treatment supplement with principle of prosperity, due and equal consideration is given to all individuals, and equality of treatment be transcended to recognize special needs. So all the three statements are correct. This answer is correct as per NCERT. Clearly उसमें सारी चीज़ें given है कि social justice में special needs जो है उनको भी recognize किया जाएगा and equal consideration दी जाएगी to all individuals. So A here is the correct answer. Question number 73. Which one of the following statement about Attorney General of India is not correct? Must be qualified to be appointed as judge of Supreme Court. This is correct. He, she enjoys right of audience only in Supreme Court. ये जो only word है इसके चलते ये statement incorrect है. Article 76 के अंदर Attorney General appoint होते हैं. He has the right to speak and to take part in proceeding of both houses of parliament or their joint sitting and any committee of parliament of which he may be named a member but without a right to vote. So right to audience तो है उनके पास in all courts of India along with दोनों houses की proceedings and joint sittings को भी वो attend कर सकते हैं. Next, which of the following are correct in relation to panchayats? Only the parliament may endow panchayats with powers and authority. This is incorrect. A state may devolve powers to panchayat in preparation of plans for economic development and social justice. In preparation of plans, this is correct. Next is a state may devolve powers to panchayats in implementation of schemes for economic development and justice. This is also correct. So C is the correct answer here. तो स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर के पास ये पावर होती है टू एंडॉय द पंचायत विद सच पावर्स. Which one of the following statement about Bhakti movement in South India is not correct? The Nalaira Davya Prabandham was also known as the Tamil Veda. This is correct. तीन तमिल वेदा थे, थिरुकल था, थेवारम था, and the third one is Nalaira Divya Prabandham. So A is correct. Andal was an Alvar saint. This is correct. And she was the only female saint. Karikal Ammayar was a great devotee of Lord Shiva, not Vishnu. Lord Shiva. So, this statement is incorrect. Metal images of Saint Apar and Sundar were made and then consecrated in a Shiva temple. This is correct. Chola ruler Prantak जो थे उन्होंने ये किया था. So, D is also correct. Next question. Which one of the following is the author of Kirtar Junya? तो वो है भरावी B. Written in 6th century, and it is an epic poem which describes combat between Arjun and Lord Shiva in present day Vijayawada. So B is the correct answer. Which one of the following is correct description of Kandariya Mahadev? So this is a temple at Khajuraho built by King Vidyadhara. Next, consider the following statements about Lingayats. They bury their deads. This is correct. They are great believers in caste system, especially in theory of purity and pollution. This is incorrect. They strongly oppose the caste system and child marriage and rejected feast, fast, pilgrimage and sacrifices. They supported remarriage. They are against child marriage and favor widow remarriage. This is correct. So 1 and 3 is the answer D. At which one of the following places is Vithal temple located? This is C. Hampi on the banks of Tungabhadra river. Next 80. In relation to power of the Union Government of India, which one of the following is not correct? Government of India may undertake legislative function of a territory outside of India by agreement with government of that territory. This is correct. Union government may not entrust a state government with functions over matters where executive power of union exceeds. This is incorrect. The constitution makes a provision for entrustment of the executive function of center to a state without the consent of that state. But in that case, delegation is by the parliament and not by the president. So a law made by parliament on subject of union list can confer powers and impose duties on state, but not vice versa. Next, as per the provisions of the Constitution of India, which one of the following is correct? Only parliament has power to legislate over a subject under concurrent list. This is incorrect. Concurrent list में दोनों state और union दोनों कर सकते हैं. Next, both parliament and state legislatures have the power to legislate over a subject under concurrent list. This is correct. So B is the correct answer here. 82. Which of the following statements regarding passing a law under state list are correct? Even in the sphere state list exclusively reserved for states, parliament can legislate under certain circumstances. This is correct. Constitution empower parliament to make laws on any matter nominated in state list under 5 extraordinary circumstances. जब राज्यसभा को रेजोल्यूशन पास कर दे, जब नेशनल इमरजेंसी हो, या स्टेट रिक्वेस्ट करे, या इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट्स को इम्प्लीमेंट करना हो, देन. नेक्स्ट इज पार्लियामेंट कैन नॉट लेजिस्लेट अ सब्जेक्ट अंडर स्टेट लिस्ट अंडर एनी सर्कमस्टांसेस. सो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट जब वो करेक्ट है तो. नेक्स्ट, अ रेजोल्यूशन सपोर्टेड बाय 2/3 ऑफ मेंबर प्रेजेंट एंड वोटिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी पास्ड बाय राज्यसभा to pass a law under the state list. So under article 249, this statement is correct. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer. C. Which of the following statements regarding promulgation of ordinance is correct? So ordinance, article 123, it grants president right to make to promulgate ordinance which are of temporary duration. This is correct. An ordinance promulgated by president has to be ratified by parliament within 6 weeks of its reassembly. This is also correct. So C is the correct answer here. 84. लिस्ट को मैच करना है. नेम ऑफ शिफ्टिंग, कल्टीवेशन और कंट्री डायरेक्टली एनसीईआरटी से है ये. मिल्पा इज इन मैक्सिको, रोचा इज इन ब्राजील एंड मसौल इज इन सेंट्रल अफ्रीका, दैट इज जायरे. सोलादांग इज इन इंडोनेशिया, मलेशिया. So answer here will be A. Next, Saubhagya central government scheme is related to. Answer is D. Achieving universal household electrification in country. Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, which is shortened as Saubhagya. और इसको लॉन्च किया गया था इन सितंबर 2017. Next, Cartagena Protocol to which India is a party is related to. Answer here is B. Biosafety, negotiated under the aegis of Convention on Biological Diversity. It concerns the movement of living modified organisms resulting from modern technology from one nation to other. It was adopted in 2000 and it came into force in 2003. Next, transition zone of varied natural vegetation occupying the boundary between two adjacent and differing plant communities is known as ecotone. It has some of the characteristics of each bordering biological community and often contains species not found in overlapping communities. So B is the answer. Next, consider the following statement about Sulekul. It means absolute peace. It provided for freedom of expression to all religions and schools of thought. The idea of Sulekul was implemented through state policies. तो तीनों statements correct हैं. इसको अकबर ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था और ये तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स एग्जैक्टली एनसीईआरटी से पूछी गई हैं विदाउट एनी चेंज. Which one of the following statement about religious policies of Mughal kings is not correct? So tax on pilgrimage was abolished in 1563 and jizya on non-Muslim subjects was abolished in 1564 by Akbar. So this is correct. Akbar issues instructions to his officers to follow policy of religious toleration. This is correct. Not all Mughal emperors gave grant for building and maintenance of public worship. This is incorrect. Even when the temples were destroyed during war, grants were issued for the repair. तो जितने भी मुगल एम्परर्स थे, they gave grants to support the buildings and maintenance. ये भी जो चारों स्टेटमेंट्स हैं एग्जैक्टली एनसीईआरटी से उठाई गई हैं. नेक्स्ट, तुलसीदास वाज ऑथर ऑफ रामचरितमानस एंड कवितावली. जो पदवली है ये पदावली है ये रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने लिखी है. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer here. D. Which one of the following conditions did Marathas agree to serve the Mughal king with cavalry contingent of 15,000 in early 18th century? Answer here C. The right to levy the light to Levi, Chauth and Sadeshmukhi in Deccan and South India. Question number 92. According to Delimitation Commission of India and subjects to Article 333 of Constitution of India, what is the maximum number of members that a state legislative assembly may have? Answer is B, 500. According to Article 170, there should be legislative assembly, and according to provisions of Article 333, legislative assembly state can have at most 500 constituencies and at least 60 constituencies. 93. Who among the following was the first non-official member to be elected as Speaker of Central Legislative Assembly on 24th August 1925? The answer is A, Vittal Bhai J. Patel. He was a co-founder of Swaraj Party and elder brother of Sardar Patel. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Lok Sabha? On dissolution of Lok Sabha, both the Speaker and Deputy Speaker cease to be members of houses. This is correct. Both Speaker and Deputy Speaker vacate their office on dissolution of Lok Sabha. This is incorrect. Third is only Deputy Speaker vacates his office, but Speaker shall not vacate his office until immediately before the first meeting of Lok Sabha after dissolution. This is correct. So D is the correct answer here. On dissolution of Lok Sabha, although Speaker cease to be member of House, but he or she does not vacate her office, the Speaker may at any time resign from office, but on dissolution shall not vacate his office. Next. With regard to panel of chairperson Lok Sabha, which one of the following statement is correct? Number 1, panel of chairperson is drawn from the ruling party only. This is incorrect. Panel of chairperson is nominated by different political parties and appointed by Speaker of Lok Sabha. This is correct. Next, panel of chairperson consists of 10 members and one of them presides over house when both speaker and deputy speaker are not there. स्टेटमेंट में क्लियरली बताया जब वो नहीं है, क्योंकि अंडर द रूल ऑफ लोकसभा जो पैनल ऑफ चेयरपर्सन है, वन ऑफ देम कैन प्रिजाइड द हाउस इन एब्सेंस ऑफ स्पीकर और डेप्टी स्पीकर, और उस समय ही हैज द सेम पावर ऑफ स्पीकर. बट जब स्पीकर या डेप्टी स्पीकर का जो ऑफिस है वो वेकेंट होगा वैकेंसी के चलते, then duties of office of speaker जो हैं they will be performed by such a member of Lok Sabha which will be appointed by the president, which is known as pro tem speaker. So 1 and 3 2 and 3 are correct here. Next, which one of the following statement is not correct? तो here B, chaparral जो vegetation है it is not found in taiga climate. ये मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन्स में पाई जाती है. They are found in mid latitude climates in belt of westerly winds. So B here is incorrect. Next, consider the following statements. River Kaveri has well-developed valley. This is correct. Valley of river Alknanda is still growing. This is also correct. River Krishna is largest east flowing peninsular river. This statement is incorrect, because river Godavari is the largest east flowing river. Here Godavari is the largest east flowing river. So answer is B, 1 and 2. Next, according to Köppen's climatic classifications of India, Great Northern Plains जो हैं they are represented by A, monsoon with dry winter, which are found in Ganga Plain, eastern Rajasthan, northern MP and most of northeast India. Which one of the following stations receive maximum rainfall? Answer is B, Bengaluru. Next question, which one of the following countries does not have a common boundary with South Africa? Answer here is A, Zambia. आप मैप में देख सकते हैं साउथ अफ्रीका है, ये उसकी बाउंड्री है. सो इसको कौन सी कंट्रीज टच कर रही है? नामीबिया, बोत्सवाना, जिम्बाब्वे, Mozambique is here. So A is the answer here. Next, consider the following statements about Treaty of Amritsar 1809. The treaty fixed the Satluj as boundary between Punjab and British India. This is correct. It was after this treaty that Maharaja Ranjit Singh was able to annex Jammu, Multan and Kashmir. This is also correct. So C is the correct answer here. Next, which one of the following statements about Harappan script is not correct? It was about 400 signs. Correct. It was written from right to left. This is also correct. It has been found on bone rods and jewelry. This is correct. D is incorrect. It refers to people of Meluha. No. जो Mesopotamian text था, it mentions contact with regions named Dilmun, which is probably Bahrain, and then Magan and Meluha. And Meluha is possibly the Harappan region. तो Mesopotamian जो script है उसमें है, not in Harappan script. Next, Parmhans Mandali जो है, it was founded in Bengal by the Doba in 1849. प्रार्थना समाज जो था was started in Maharashtra with aim of reforming Hindu religious thoughts and practices. This is incorrect. So here neither option is correct. प्रार्थना समाज के जो reformers थे, they would violate caste taboos on food and touch in an effort to get hold of caste prejudice in their lives. So वो लोग against the caste system, not with aim of reforming Hindu religious thoughts. इसलिए टू incorrect है. Next, which one of the following is not correct of Mahatma Gandhi's दांडी यात्रा और साल्ट मार्च? So इसमें D option जो है वो incorrect है. The march began after the failure of first round table conference. क्योंकि इसमें क्लियरली जो अगर आपको पता होगा जो सॉल्ट मार्च है वो 12 मार्च 1930 को लॉन्च हुई थी 16 अप्रैल तक, और जो फर्स्ट राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस है वो नवंबर 1930 में हुई थी till January 1931. So D here is incorrect. Next, the British Committee of Indian National Congress was founded in 1889. A is the correct answer here. And its purpose was to raise awareness of Indian issues to the public in Britain, to whom Government of India was responsible. Next, Tamilakam was the name of ancient Tamil country that included. Answer is D, present day Kerala, Telangana, Karnataka. It refers to geographical region inhabited by ancient Tamil people, which includes Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Telangana and Karnataka. So D is the answer here. Next, a member giving notice of a resolution for removal of Speaker Lok Sabha should be addressed to B, Secretary General Lok Sabha, according to Article 94 subsection C. Article 94 section C. A member wishing to give notice of resolution under clause C of Article 94 for the removal of Speaker or Deputy Speaker shall do so in writing to Secretary General. So B is the answer here. Which one of the following statements regarding Public Account Committee is correct? It consists of 15 members from Lok Sabha and 7 members from Rajya Sabha. This is correct. So A is the correct answer here. It was first set up in 1921 under the provisions of Government of India Act 1999 और तब से अब तक एग्जिस्टेंस में है. और इसका मेन फंक्शन है टू एग्जामिन द एनुअल ऑडिट रिपोर्ट्स of the Comptroller and Auditor General, which are laid before the Parliament by the President. Next, which of the following statements with regard to Speaker Lok Sabha is are correct? The election of Speaker of Lok Sabha is conducted by Election Commission. This is incorrect. जो लोक सभा के मेंबर्स होते हैं उनके अमंग ही ये इलेक्ट होते हैं. amongst this member. और जो डेट ऑफ इलेक्शन ऑफ स्पीकर होती है इट इज फिक्स बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. Next, speaker on assuming his office is not required to make and subscribe oath or affirmation. This is correct. Next, speaker do not exercise a casting vote in case of equality of votes. This is incorrect. स्पीकर अदरवाइज कभी भी वोट नहीं कर सकते फर्स्ट इंस्टांस पे, लेकिन इन केस ऑफ टाई और इक्वालिटी ऑफ वोट्स उनके पास राइट है ऑफ कास्टिंग वोट. सो 1 and 3 आर इनकरेक्ट. 2 ओनली इज द करेक्ट आंसर, ए. और यही जो राइट है कास्टिंग वोट का, इट मेक्स द पोजीशन ऑफ स्पीकर इम्पार्शियल. नेक्स्ट, हु वाज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली? अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. और एच.सी. मुखर्जी जो थे वो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट थे. अब आया मैथ्स का सेक्शन. इन एन एग्जाम अ कैंडिडेट अटेम्प्ट्स 20 क्वेश्चंस एंड स्कोर 72 मार्क्स. If 5 marks are added for each correct answer and 2 marks are deducted for each wrong answer, then how many questions were answered correctly by him? तो आप देख सकते हैं कि हम लोग जो करेक्ट आंसर है उनको एक्स सपोज कर लेंगे। सो क्लियरली गिवन है कि करेक्ट आंसर के लिए कितने मार्क्स हैं, 5 हैं, तो 5 इंटू एक्स, टोटल मार्क्स कितने हैं 72, तो 5x माइनस 2 मार्क्स हुआ नेगेटिव, तो नेगेटिव कितने होंगे, टोटल क्वेश्चन कितने हैं 20, तो 20 माइनस एक्स इंटू 2, तो जब डिडक्ट करेंगे तो विल गेट द आंसर 16। So 16 questions were answered correctly by the candidate. So here C is the correct answer. तो इस क्वेश्चन में C करेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which one of the following is the greatest number by which the product of 3 consecutive even numbers would be exactly divisible? तो 3 consecutive numbers लेने हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर हम 4, 6, 8 को लेते हैं 3 consecutive numbers, तो इन तीनों का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो आएगा 192, which is divisible by 64. So 64 is the greatest number. So here D is the correct answer. If 15% of A is double of 30% of B, then what is the ratio of A to B? So you can check here. 15% of A is equal to double of 30% of B. So ratio आएगी 4:1. So here D is the answer, 4:1. Next, the cost of gold varies directly as the cube of its weight. A gold piece weighing 20 decigram cost rupees 1000. If it is broken into 2 pieces whose weights are in the ratio 2:3, then what is the profit or loss incurred? तो आप देख सकते हैं कि जो कॉस्ट ऑफ 20 डेसीग्राम गोल्ड है वो कितना गिवन है क्वेश्चन में, 1000। तो जो कॉस्ट है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है वेट क्यूब के। सो के कांस्टेंट ले लेंगे तो कॉस्ट निकल आएगा 1/8 वेट क्यूब। अब ये गोल्ड ब्रोकन है इंटू 2 पीसेस जिसकी रेशो क्या है 2:3। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट का 8 डेसीग्राम निकल जाएगा और सेकेंड पार्ट का 12 डेसीग्राम। तो जब दोनों की कॉस्ट को पुट करेंगे तो विल गेट 280। तो पहले कितना था कॉस्ट 1000 और अब -280 कितना लॉस होगा, अब प्राइस है 280 दोनों का, तो लॉस कितने का हुआ 720 का। सो हियर डी इज द आंसर, 720 जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द एवरेज एज ऑफ बॉयज इन अ क्लास इज 12 years. The average age of girls in class is 11 years. They are 50% more girls than boys in class. So average age निकालनी है क्लास की इन ईयर्स। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि एवरेज एज ऑफ क्लास को हम एक्स मान लेंगे, तो नंबर ऑफ बॉयज कितने हैं क्लास में 100 और लड़कियां कितनी है 50% मोर, सो 150। तो जो बॉयज हैं उनकी जो एवरेज एज है वो 12 है, तो 100 इंटू 12, और गर्ल्स की 11 है, और टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितने हुए 100 प्लस 150, तो x निकल जाएगा 11.4 ईयर्स। सो अब आपका करेक्ट आंसर होगा बी विच इज 11.4 ईयर्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ सम ट्रिपल्स इन 10 years अंडर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एट अ सर्टेन रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, द इंटरेस्ट इज बीइंग कंपाउंडेड एनुअली। तो कितने साल में ये जो है ये 9 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, तो अमाउंट बिकम्स 3 टाइम्स। बड़ी इजी क्वेश्चन है कि 3 टाइम्स 10 years में हो रहा है, तो 9 टाइम्स कब होगा, तो 3 का स्क्वायर। So here 10 into 2, so you will get 20 years. So A correct answer है। Next question, the number of ways by which 6 distinct balls can be put in 5 distinct boxes. So एक बॉक्स में 6 टाइम हम उस बॉल को इन 6 डिफरेंट वेज फिल कर सकते हैं, तो सिमिलरली बाकी 5 बॉक्सेस भी फिल हो जाएंगे। So you will get the answer A which is 777 6. Next question, a wire of length 6 meter is stretched such that its radius is reduced by 20%. Which one of the following is the value of increase in its length? तो हम लेंथ ऑफ वायर है वो गिवन है 6 मीटर, तो रेडियस को सपोज कर लेते हैं 10 मीटर्स, तो वॉल्यूम निकाल लेंगे पाई आर स्क्वायर एच लगा के विच इज 600 पाई। तो न्यू रेडियस कितना है, इट इज रिड्यूस बाय 20, तो निकल आएगा 8 मीटर। तो न्यू लेंथ को हम एच सपोज कर लेंगे, तो फिर से पाई आर स्क्वायर एच लगा के न्यू वॉल्यूम निकल आएगा विच इज 64 पाई एच। जब इसको कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमें h की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी। इंक्रीज लेंथ ऑफ वायर जो है, पहले लेंथ कितनी थी 6 है, उसमें से डिडक्ट करेंगे तो 27/8 मीटर, तो परसेंटेज इंक्रीज कितना हुआ 56.25 विच इज बी। तो बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अल्फाबेट्स ए टू जे आर नंबर फ्रॉम 0 to 9 रिस्पेक्टिवली। तो हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है ए जी जे माइनस सी जी प्लस ए डी बी की। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि इन सब की वैल्यू दी है 0 to 9 फ्रॉम ए टू जे। तो हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, ए जी जे माइनस सी जी प्लस ए डी बी। तो हम यहीं से वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो आंसर निकलेगा 254 विच इज 2 इज फॉर सी, 5 इज फॉर एफ एंड 4 इज फॉर ई। तो आंसर आएगा सी एफ ई विच इज ए। तो ए आंसर आ जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 120, इसमें गिवन है कि a इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय 9 and 12 लीव्स रिमाइंडर 8, और b जो है स्मॉलेस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय 9 and 12 लीव्स रिमाइंडर 5। तो a माइनस बी की वैल्यू क्या है, हमें ये फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो हम 9 और 12 जो है उसका एलसीएम लेंगे तो उसका एलसीएम आएगा 36। तो a की वैल्यू क्या हुई, जो एलसीएम है उसमें कितना रिमाइंडर आ रहा है 8 का, तो +8, तो 44 वैल्यू होगी ए की। सिमिलरली जो बी है उसमें कितना रिमाइंडर आ रहा है 5, तो हम 5 ऐड करेंगे यू विल गेट 41। तो ए माइनस बी का डिफरेंस कितना हुआ 3 का, 44 माइनस 41 इज 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ साउथ ईस्ट इज कॉल्ड ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट इज कॉल्ड वेस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट इज कॉल्ड साउथ, तो नॉर्थ क्या होगा। तो अगर आप इसको देखें तो ये जो डायरेक्शन में चेंज है वो 45 डिग्री एंगल की चेंज है। तो जो नॉर्थ है it will become northeast. So B is the correct answer. Next question, if the day before yesterday was Tuesday, तो Saturday को कौन सा दिन होगा। तो अगर day before yesterday जो है वो Tuesday है तो yesterday कौन सा दिन हुआ, Wednesday हो गया। अगर yesterday Wednesday है तो today क्या होगा, today will be Thursday, today will be Thursday. So day after tomorrow क्या होगा, day after tomorrow Friday के बाद क्या आएगा Saturday। तो उन्होंने पूछा कि सैटरडे क्या होगा, तो सैटरडे विल बी सी, डे आफ्टर टुमारो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द मिसिंग नंबर हियर। तो आपको मिसिंग नंबर की वैल्यू बतानी है, यहाँ पे कौन सी वैल्यू आएगी। तो इसमें कुछ भी कैलकुलेशन नहीं थी, अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो इन दोनों का टोटल है 3 और 4 का 7, तो 7 इसके ऑपोजिट लिखा है, 2 और 3 का टोटल है 5 इज रिटन हियर। ऐसे ही इधर देखते हैं 3 और 1 का टोटल जो है वो 4 है, तो ऑपोजिट लिखा है, 2 और 6 का 8 है तो यहाँ लिखा है। सिमिलरली क्वेश्चन में 5 और 1 है तो उसके ऑपोजिट 6 लिखा है, तो यहाँ 2 और 7 है तो इसका ऑपोजिट क्या आएगा 9। सो ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ 100 चिल्ड्रन 64 चिल्ड्रन लाइक टू प्ले क्रिकेट, 53 लाइक टू प्ले फुटबॉल और 20 चिल्ड्रन लाइक टू प्ले बोथ क्रिकेट एंड फुटबॉल। तो कितने चिल्ड्रन हैं जो दोनों में से कोई भी गेम नहीं खेलते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हो कि 64 हैं जो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, 53 जो फुटबॉल और 20 जो दोनों खेलते हैं। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन जो खेलते हैं दे विल बी 64 + 53 माइनस जो इन दोनों में इंक्लूड हो गए 20। तो आंसर, तो इसमें आंसर निकलेगा 97। तो नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हु डू नॉट लाइक टू प्ले इज, टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितने उन्होंने दिए हैं क्वेश्चन में 100, तो 100 माइनस 97 3। सो ए जो है वो उसका करेक्ट आंसर है। सो इसमें ए जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर है 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 2 years ago the age of A was 3 times age of B. If B is currently 9 years old, then after how many years the age of A will be double of age of B? तो आप देख सकते हैं कि 2 साल पहले A की एज क्या थी 3 टाइम्स ऑफ B थी। तो प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ B जो है वो क्या है, इट्स गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 9 साल। एज ऑफ B बिफोर 2 years कितनी थी 9 - 2 7 years। तो एज क्या होगी 3 टाइम्स ऑफ B विच इज 21 years। तो प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ A क्या हो गई, 2 साल पहले की एज 3 टाइम्स थी, तो अब +2 होगा 21 में विच इज 23 years। तो रिक्वायर्ड एज जो है उसको x सपोज किया, सो 23 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स 9 प्लस एक्स, जो कि b की प्रेजेंट एज है, तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 5 years. So after 5 years, age of A will be double of age of B. So D here is the correct answer. D correct answer होगा. तो हमारी ये वाली क्लास यहीं कंक्लूड होती है. अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी डाउट हो, क्वेरी हो, प्लीज डू comment in the comment section. Your comments are highly valuable. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.